Can your HOA enter your property without your permission? The answer is it depends. The first thing that you should look at is whether your CC&Rs allow for emergency entrance into the community. A lot of times it depends on what the CC&Rs say in your specific instance. It also depends on what the situation is. So if there's an emergency situation, you're in a condo and the water is leaking from your unit to another unit and you're out of town, then a lot of CC&Rs in those situations will say that the HOA can enter for the specific reason of shutting off the water and to prevent additional damage to the community or something like that. Other ones will talk about something called self-help. So that's the idea that if you're not going to make these changes to your property, you're going to let this dangerous or unsanitary or whatever type of condition persist on your property, then at some point with notice, the HOA can enter onto your property, fix it themselves, and then add the charges to your ledger. If your CC&Rs are completely silent on the matter, what I see a lot of HOAs do is defer to asking for court involvement or help first before taking some sort of action. But again, it can really depend on what type of a situation it is, how much of an emergency it is, what danger or conditions it presents to your neighbors or the rest of the community, and what's reasonable in that situation. I'm Anjali Patel, and I help with HOA law for homeowners here in Arizona. Thanks.